Inequalities, examples 5 and 6. Example 5, 6 is greater than or equal to negative 3/7 x. To solve our inequality, we're going to solve it just like we would an equation. To get rid of my fraction, I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal, so negative 7/3 on both sides. On our right-hand side, those will multiply out, and x will now be greater than or equal to our value. The reason our inequality switched or flipped is because we multiplied by a negative number on both sides. So negative 7/3 times 6 would be negative 42/3. This will simplify. We can divide that. So negative 42 divided by 3 is negative 14 less than or equal to x. Normally, when we write these with the variable on the left-hand side, so I'm going to rewrite it as x, and then it would be greater than or equal to negative 14. Now to graph it, I'm going to start here in the middle, negative 14, and since these are kind of close together, I'm going to skip, so then negative 13, negative 12, and go in the other direction, negative 15, negative 17. Remember, with negatives, they go in the reverse order. Okay, so x is greater than or equal to negative 14 would be a bracket, and then shade going to the right. Then when we write it in interval notation, our number line is going to help us. We have that starting point, that bracket, negative 14, comma, and then infinity, and that always gets a parentheses. Example 6, 8x plus 3 times the quantity 7x, or 7 minus x, less than 6. So for this one first, I'm going to distribute that 3 into my parentheses. So I'll have 8x plus 21 minus 3x less than 6. So I can go ahead and combine like terms. They're on the same side, so we're combining them, we're not moving anything. So 8x minus 3x would be 5x plus 21 less than 6. Then I'm going to subtract 21 from both sides. 5x would be less than negative 15. Divide both sides by 5, and x is less than negative 3. The inequality here does not flip because we did not multiply or divide by a negative. Okay? Doesn't matter that our answer is negative, it matters what we multiplied or divided by. So I'm going to put that negative 3 in the middle there. Then negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So at negative 3, I'm going to have a parenthesis, and it's going to face the left, and then I'm going to shade to the left. Okay. For my interval notation, I would have negative infinity with the parenthesis, comma, negative 3, close parenthesis.